I don't want anything to really be super wrong with this, so we're just gonna get. Normally you would be warming the bike up before you change the oil, but because so we're gonna drain it. You've got a drain plug right here. Okay, so this is a 5 hex. Okay, so yeah, I had to put a breaker bar in it. Okay, and then at a certain point the oil is gonna start, so I'm just gonna do this. Green and brown. I currently have the oil out of it. We're gonna put new oil in it. I should change the oil filter first. Okay, so here we go. These K&Ns are 17s. Our Testastretta here requires, it says 3.7 liters of oil, but I've seen forums say like 3.5 and stuff, so I'm just gonna put almost 4 in and just check it. Fun times. The cool thing about these is it does this thing where it like pops up. So the last stuff was like race oil, the V300. This is 7100, 1550. So this is much better for commuting, and it should last like 7.5 when the other stuff was like 1 liter. So we should have 3 in there now. So I'm gonna go with like half. Okay, so the oil level should be between these marks. We're at the very bottom when it's leaned down. Ooh, there's like a tightness. You know what it's from? Having no air in my tires. We got no air, buddy. We got no air, buddy. Oh, we standing up. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We have too much oil. Look at that. It's got to run though, so we're probably fine. Yeah, we're definitely good. We should be in the middle, but we will be once it runs, because it's got to go through the oil filter. I'm fairly sure.